This question is from GATE 2017. This is about the threads. This is from operating system. So the question is, the threads of a process share. There are 4 options, so we have to determine which one is correct. Now, to answer this question, we know something about threads. In case of threads, it generally shares some certain informations. For example, first one is code section. What we are talking about, the things that is shared by a thread. The first thing that is shared by a thread is code section. The second thing is data section. Data section means both stack and heap, right? The third thing that is shared by the thread is the address spaces. See, from the second point, it is very clear that the option will be option D, the correct option. But let's see, or let's talk about all the things that is shared by a particular thread. The fourth option that is shared by the threads, these are permissions. And there are some other resources that is shared by threads. For example, some other resources like your files, right? So from this context we can say that the correct option is option D, that is threads of a process share both heap and global variables.